Have you ever wondered why Beforepay has a $50 limit? It's a question that's been on the minds of many users, especially those who found themselves needing a bit more than the standard allowance. In this video, we're diving deep into the reasons behind this limit and exploring potential workarounds. Before we get into the limit, let's quickly recap what Beforepay is. It's a financial technology platform that allows users to access a portion of their upcoming paycheck before payday. This can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations, like car repairs or medical emergencies. The $50 limit on Beforepay is a safety measure designed to protect users from overspending. It's based on the idea that small, manageable advances can help users avoid financial strain without putting them at risk of debt. Reasons behind the limit. Risk management. Financial institutions are always cautious about lending money. By setting a limit, Beforepay can manage the risk associated with providing early access to funds. Responsible spending. The limit encourages users to be mindful of their spending habits and avoid impulsive purchases. Financial stability. Keeping the advances small helps users maintain financial stability and avoid getting into debt. Potential workarounds. While the $50 limit is generally in place, there are a few potential workarounds. Multiple advances. If you need more than $50, you can consider making multiple smaller advances over time. This can help you reach your desired amount without exceeding the limit. Alternative financial solutions. If Beforepay doesn't meet your needs, explore other financial options like personal loans or credit cards. However, be sure to compare interest rates and terms carefully. Negotiation. In some cases, you may be able to negotiate with Beforepay to increase your limit, especially if you have a strong track record of responsible use. Regardless of the limit, it's essential to use Beforepay responsibly. Avoid relying on it as a long-term solution to financial problems. Instead, consider it as a temporary safety net to help you tide over difficult times. The $50 limit on Beforepay is a safety measure designed to protect users from overspending and maintain financial stability. While it may be frustrating for those who need more, understanding the reasons behind the limit can help you make informed decisions about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.